What's up, guys? It's X here, back with another video, and today we're gonna be trying to get Windows 8 on a Chromebook. So the reason I'm doing this is, well, I just had to vote which one I should do first, and Windows 8 on a Chromebook won by a lot. So first of all, let's look at the Chromebook here. So this is an Acer Chromebook 311, last seen in my attempted macOS fail video, where I tried Hackintoshin this thing around N4020. So it's Gemini Lake, has I believe 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of eMMC storage. So here's the USB drive that I have Windows 8 on. No, it's not 8.0. Or no, I mean it's not 8.1. This is 8.0. So it's the original RTM release of Windows 8. So let's just plug it into the USB drive, and I guess let's just get this thing turned on. Well, what the hell is this? We're PC'd. Oh yeah, it's the leftover Windows installation I have on here, and yeah, I guess I just didn't it's just a leftover Windows boot manager. So let's boot into the actual USB. So it says KBS. I already put custom firmware on here, the custom BIOS, Mr. Chromebox's BIOS. I made a video on how to get that on here. If you want to see that too, link in the description as well. Yep, it shows up USB disk 3.0. And seems like it's booting fine. I expect it to boot because, well, yeah, we have Windows 8, but I expect this to work because Windows 8.0 has full UEFI Class 3 support, and GOP booting and GPT. This is the first version of Windows to support UEFI Class 3 pretty well, so I expect it to work like this. And the trackpad doesn't work, but the keyboard does work. So let's get my wireless mouse here. Here's my Logitech mouse, and you have the USB port seem to be working fine. So let's click next. And I want to see, will it detect the eMMC drive that's in here? Because this uses eMMC storage, and earlier versions of Windows don't support it well. But this is also a modded ISO, and it's it has USB 3 and NVMe drivers, but I don't know if NVMe and eMMC are the same. But let's just find out. All right, let's now accept these terms. Accept the terms. So moment of truth, will it actually find it? Alright, it works. This is going smooth so far. This is literally working perfectly. Windows 8 on a Chromebook. Who thought this would be going this smooth? Anyways, yeah, this is a modern Chromebook. I believe this was released in 2020. I mean, it's 6 years old, but still it's modern, I guess. For Windows 8.0 where he is. So, and hey, Chromebooks didn't really change that much to begin with, so this is modern. Format or drive here, and I guess let's start. Yeah, it seems like it's working fine. Yo, we just got in Windows 8 on a Chromebook. So yeah, hopefully this video wasn't too boring because literally there's no work to do. But all right, give a name. Let's do PC name. Acer. Wait, y'all can't see it. So PC name will be Acer. Chromebook 311. Acer Chromebook 311. That's the name if y'all want to see. What is this bouquet? Yo, that's a cool bouquet, not gonna lie. Anyways, I named the PC Acer Chromebook 301. Y'all can't see it, but Anyways, look next here. Are you serious right now? Just ace your Chromebook? Alright. Express username J finish. Windows 8 is so simple, man. Like literally, that was like the shortest setup ever. Windows 11 easy. That's like so many questions. This is so short, but yeah. Also, y'all probably asking like, why the hell are you doing this? There's like no reason to do this. Like Windows 8, no one uses it anymore. Like you're too nostalgia blinded. Well, no, that's not the reason. The reason I'm doing this is just for content. I'm purely doing this for content, and it's just an experiment. Obviously, it's not like something to actually use. It's just for like experimenting. All right, it's not some dumb thing. It's just for like, you know, I'm just like a guy trying to make it in life. You know, get some good content for y'all to watch. Let's start. Are we seeing the start screen on a Chromebook? Dude, this is crazy. Again, this is a Chromebook here. Look at this. Right at that circle. This is a Chromebook. And this is running natively. Dude. Are we gonna see any drivers though? Like, why did this open? So how is drivers gonna go? We're definitely gonna need Snappy driver installer and an external like USB Wi-Fi adapter, because there's no way the drivers for anything's gonna work. Not even sound. We have no sound, no internet. This is the Windows 8 start screen. But what is this like terrible like interface for like? Why was it right? Why is all apps hidden in the right-click menu? Like they should have just done like a drop-down arrow. Like Windows 8.1 fixed that, but like, why did they choose this design? Why do you have to right-click to access all apps? Also, no shutdown button. You only sign out option. Well, yeah. And also no start button. What were they thinking, dude? No start button? Are you serious? The file. If you go into your properties here, Intel Celeron N4020. Ace your Chromebook. This is actually like cursed, dude. Alright, well, let's get it all set up here. Will my USB Wi-Fi adapter work? Let's plug this in. It doesn't look like it's working yet, so I'll be back when I get drivers for this thing, so let's be back. Found a Wi-Fi driver. Let's see if it will work for the USB Wi-Fi adapter. Install the driver. So I want to see. I mean, I wasn't too surprised that this worked, but you know, who knows? I mean, this is also not 8.1. This is 8.0. So I know 7 is gonna be way harder though. I will try 7 for sure in another video. I will definitely try Windows 7, but yeah, let's just see what 8.0 can do on a Chromebook from like 2020 Acer Chromebook. So also this specific Chromebook is also like the same thing I used in my most popular video, how to fix Chrome OS. This is the device I did that on, so thank y'all for that. Obviously, like that video literally like by far, like compared to every other videos, by a long shot is my most popular video and my most successful one. So thank y'all for that. But anyways, oh, it's complete. And yep, look at that, it's actually found internet connections. I'm gonna get connected to the internet, and now let's try finding drivers with Snappy. I do not think we'll be able to find a single driver because I opened Snappy and I wasn't able to find a single driver. So yeah, definitely no Wi-Fi drivers. So definitely no drivers for anything. I mean, no drivers at all. So we're stuck with 0 drivers. I mean, obviously, there's not gonna be any drivers for Windows 8 on a literal Chromebook. Like that's like one of the like least like compatible things you could ever do. So let's try getting a web browser, and I'll try installing some programs. So I'll see y'all after I do that. Alright guys, it is now the next day, and I've got a bunch of programs on here, and yeah, obviously I still got no drivers, but yeah, let's get the thing back on now. But I love how Chromebooks like automatically like turn on when you open the lid. They like, automatically press the power button. That's like awesome. Like, I mean, it's cool. I don't know if you could turn it off though, but I mean, I guess that's awesome. But alright, we're booting back into Windows 8. Windows 8.0 too. Like again, this is the original Windows 8. This is not 8.1. This is 8.0. So first of all, let's test out the built-in programs. First, the camera. It actually sees the webcam. Yep, the webcam does work. I'm just gonna turn it on, but yeah, look at that. I don't know why it looks like this. I think I scratched my lens, but I scratched the lens of this webcam, so you can see me. And look at this. You can see my camera that I'm using, which is a Canon Vixia. Y'all can see yourselves. Maybe I want to try getting like a better angle or something. I don't know, but yeah, y'all can see my tripod. Y'all can see me on my microphone. This is my room, but take a picture. How do we take a picture? Oh, we just press take a pic. I don't know, but Windows 8 was confusing, bro. What is this UI? This is like the most confusing UI ever. They just spacebar? This is so confusing. Windows 8, bro. I can see why people hated Windows 8. What is this UI? This is just how to see pictures. Yeah, this is the worst UI ever. What is this? Anyways, let's stop. Internet Explorer. Let's head to my website. Shameless plug. Visit. Oh gosh. Visit powerblastex.com. Does this version of Internet Explorer work with this? I don't think this is even gonna work. How about the store? The store is probably shut down. Yeah, I think it is shut down. Maybe. Let's just see though. Hello? Yeah, we weren't able to connect to because the servers are shut down long ago. How about maps? I have a feeling this might work, but let's see. Okay. It seems like it's actually working. Oh. Yeah, it's kind of working. It's very laggy though, probably because I have no drivers, but it is working. And I was able to zoom into my location here. Alright. Maps works, that's awesome. How about I don't want to take this either. Let's just start weather app. Can weather use location? Yes. I'm not in London. I'm in Chicago, Lincolnwood, Chicago, Skokie, whatever. It's taking too long. I don't think it works. Finance. Can I invest in Windows 8.0? Bing Finance. Bing? Yeah, it's not gonna work. It's probably just gonna get stuck here. I don't know what else to say. That's it for the apps. I think that's it. Let's test some games now. I did install these games, although Windows 8 did not come with these. I have to separately install them. It's out Solitaire. Yeah, Solitaire's working. Let's do a game of Solitaire. Alright, I'm bored. Let's exit out. It's such a shame that sound doesn't work because you can't get these cool like music and sound effects on here. I do have VLC, but I guess I don't even know why I like installed VLC. I know it definitely can play VLC, but like it's kind of pointless because there's no sound drivers. So, but hey, VLC was installed and it does work. So let's try some web browsing now. Let's open up Supremium. That's my browser choice. Yes, stuff also takes a while to load. That's a fact. I mean, yeah, it's Celeron N4020, and you're literally on a Chromebook. It's like this. It's not Windows' fault. It's like the Chromebook's fault. The specs are horrible. Anyways, Power Blast X. Google Works. Send to my website here. I haven't really updated my website in a while. I definitely gotta update my website, but as you can see, my website loads up fine. I mean, it takes a while to load, but it is working. Let's head to my channel. Let's see if YouTube works on here. Can we stream? it should work. Or I don't think it's gonna really work well, but it should work. Obviously, the hardware should definitely be capable. Like the hardware is definitely capable, but the operating system is kind of the problem because there's no drivers. So, oh, they just freeze, dude. It just froze. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. It's not working. Drivers are definitely the problem. We have no GPU drivers, like no drivers at all. So, but I know the hardware is low end, but this definitely does handle you at least YouTube playback completely fine if you're on like Chrome OS or like, for example, like Linux distro. But like Windows 8 has like no drivers for this. Even Windows 10, like Windows 10 does have drivers for this hardware. Even Windows 11, but like because like Intel Celeron and 4020, but now Windows 8, so no streaming. How about music? Come on, music should work at least. Come on. Yeah, it shows up. MF Doom. Special Herbs. Listen to this album, guys. Obviously, I can't even play it because it got copyrighted, but sound doesn't work on here anyway, so it doesn't matter. But look at this. What volume should we try? Let's just play. Let's just try playing it anyway, just to see if I can handle it. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, is it actually gonna play though? Dude, oh my god, nah. I'm closing it. I'm closing this right now. But I mean, there's nothing else really to do. I mean, oh yeah, I know this is the most boring video ever. This is probably one of my most boring videos I've ever made. But hey, like, I mean, it's not what like y'all voted for this, and also at least it serves like a base. At least it serves as a base for like this series. Like we could like try going further now. Like we know 8.0 works, so now we can try Windows 7, Windows Vista. Like we could make this a whole series anyway. So it doesn't really. So it's fine. Let's try Paint. Let's try Paint at least. Paint should work. Yeah. Save. So we just save the painting. What else is there? I don't think there is anything else, to be honest. That's pretty much it, I guess. So hope y'all enjoyed watching this boring video. I'll definitely try Windows 98 on the OptiPlex 9020. I know y'all are waiting for that for sure. I don't know why y'all voted this. I was not expecting y'all to vote this in the poll, but I think it's because I had Windows 7 in it, that's why. But yeah, I am gonna try Windows 7 next too, so I am definitely gonna do that. But yeah, here's just the final specs, as you can see. Celeron N4020, Windows 8. Check the task manager. Look at that, Celeron N4020 with our 4 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabytes of eMMC, and just our Wi-Fi like USB adapter. Now let's try shutting down. Let's shutting down work. This is such stupid design. Like seriously, this is such a terrible design. Why get rid of the start button? It literally doesn't make anything easier. And shutting down fails. What is this? It's not even working. Yeah, shutting down doesn't even work. Yeah, ACPI is broken here. No shutting down. Wow. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the playlist in the description for like more of these kinds of videos if we want to watch in the meantime while I make more. So subscribe, leave me some ideas in the comments what I should try next. Hope y'all enjoyed. Peace out.